Shop Floor Control Module. In the world of print and packaging, smooth operations on the shop floor are essential. Introducing the DynamicsPrint Shop Floor Control Module, your key to efficient production management. Shop floor management is developing and managing the shop floor operations. Inventory, equipment, and workers are more essential than ever before. Shop floor control is a control instrument that primarily improves communication between employees and management or other related operations. DynamicsPrint offers a simplified shop floor user interface for confirming and reporting operations. Work instructions, quantity, and other production notes can be viewed and reported through digital work orders, and the shop floor interface enables a paperless interface for production control and monitoring. The DynamicsPrint Shop Floor system provides a total overview for the operator. An order list of what has been scheduled for each work center, the job ticket with detailed specifications, and various communications like Word documents, short messages, or attached images are visible from the system, easy to access, and are all available with one click. Optimize your operations with the Shop Floor Control Module from DynamicsPrint, powered by Microsoft. Visit DynamicsPrint.com to learn more about our modules and schedule a free demo with one of our top-tier consultants.